this is what I had to do. I had to modify this 24 millimeter wrench in order for me to be able to get that oil pressure switch out, because I didn't want to remove this coolant line here and I have to deal with all this. I didn't want to remove it because I didn't have the gasket for that. Alright. One of the reason why I'm replacing this today, this pressure switch, is because the customer took the car to the dealership and they found that the sensor was leaking. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. It's still a little stiff. I'll show you guys once I have it installed.